The nose cargo door control panel is located on the forward left side of the main cargo deck. Lighting controls are also on this panel. Nose cargo door closed and latch annunciator panels are located directly below the nose cargo door control panel. A latch actuator test panel is located on the forward right side of the main cargo deck. Side cargo door exterior controls are located aft of the cargo door on the left side of the airplane. Side cargo door interior controls are located aft of the cargo door on the left interior sidewall. Ramp lighting controls for the door area is also on this panel. The latch lock handle is located just forward of the side cargo door window. Main deck forward and aft crew entry doors are plug type, manually operated, and have no power assist. The crew service door is plug type, track mounted, manually operated, and has no power assist. On the upper deck, the service door is located on the right side aft of the flight deck. Access to the main cargo deck is from a retractable ladder, which is retracted during cargo loading and unloading and extended at all other times. A stow assist tool is mounted on the side panel adjacent to door 1 left on the main deck. The crew ladder stow assist tool is mounted on the main deck wall at the base of the ladder. Instructions for both lowering and stowing the crew ladder are on the wall above the stow assist tool. The upper deck smoke barrier door must be closed during taxi, takeoff, flight, and landing. A flight crew rest area with 2 bunks is located at the aft end of the upper deck. Each bunk area contains lighting controls and an interphone handset. A cabin services module is located on the outer wall of the upper deck lavatory. The module contains cabin lighting controls, cabin temperature controls, and potable water quantity.